Good morning, students. I am very regret I could not attend the class yesterday because due to the bad weather, and I hope you all will have you all will have at home, and you all will be have safe. Stay home, stay safe. Now, today's class we have to exceed from what we have studied yesterday. We had already discussed about the average velocity. From this day I am going to describe about what is an acceleration and related equations of motions, etc. Okay, now ready for class 9. What is an acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called an acceleration. It is denoted by small a. Arrow sign shows that it has direction, magnitude and direction both. Is that physical quantity? Which has magnitude and direction both. So that acceleration is a vector physical quantity. And that is where V stands for final velocity, and U stands for initial velocity. Once again, acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is called an acceleration. It is denoted by small a. Acceleration is that physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction. And so that acceleration is a vector physical quantity. SI unit is concerned meter per second by per second, that is meter per second into 1 by second, that is meter per second square. It can be written as also do it fast. Okay, now suppose let an object starts from initial velocity starts with u from point A on y-axis with respect to time, that is x-axis, and after t second interval its final velocity becomes v, where AB slope makes an angle theta that is slope AB is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular oblique base. In trigonometry, you will discuss it more details. This slope is the change in velocity. That is A is equal to BC minus CD oblique OC. V minus U oblique T. BC minus CD, this one is equal to BD. And AD is equal to OC equal to T. As usual, or implies that final velocity V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. For 20 seconds break, you must wash your hand with a soap for 20 or 30 seconds. After solving these equations, related equations, we will study more details about the graphical representation of distance time graph, displacement time graph, velocity time graph, etc. Distance time graph will show the speed, displacement time graph will show the velocity, while velocity time graph will show the acceleration. As it is a velocity time graph, because you may watch it here, point from A with initial velocity u, it changes with respect to time and reaches at point B after t second interval. So it shows the relation between velocity with respect to time. It is a graphical representation of velocity time graph. Okay beta, Now let's we have a look on another point. Here discussion is going ahead. Whenever if an object starts moving, then it's sure that it will cover distance. Distance either displacement covered distance is equal to the shaded region of the graph. And that is area of shaded region. Area of trapezium OABC. As we know that area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. That is equal to half OA plus BC into AD. Okay, U plus B into T. Now after calculation, half U plus AT into T. This one is equal to half 2UT plus AT square. Do it fast. Now distance covered is denoted by small s, that is equal to half into 2ut plus half into 8 square, that is s is equal to ut plus half 8 square. This is the second important formula for finding out the distance traveled by an object. As we know from equation first, v is equal to u plus at, that is v minus u is equal to at, or that is t is equal to v minus u oblique a. This equation number 3 is put in equation second. We get that s is equal to u into v minus u oblique a plus half a into v minus u oblique a का whole square. Now calculation is going ahead. ut minus u square oblique a plus half a into v minus u का whole square oblique a square, that is square cancel. Now you may put it here. 2a is an LCM. It can be written as 2ub minus 2u square plus v square plus u square minus 2ub, a minus b का होल स्क्वायर बराबर. Now this is plus, this is minus, cancel. Now v square minus u square oblique 2a, that is s is equal to v square minus u square oblique 2a, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Very important. Thank you.